Good afternoon. My name is Paul Marshall. I am owner-operator of a soft wash, power wash business. It's called Wash It Now, LLC, located out of the great state of New Jersey. The biggest thing about coming to this class was about different types of chemicals. And in this industry, there's a lot of waste. And there's a lot of sales pitches. Here, what I saw and what was delivered was what was advertised. And I gotta honestly say, the speaker yesterday was truly professional. He told us about his industry, and I'm talking to other guys in the class, and he's a straight shooter. And that's really appreciated on all of us here in the class. Today's speaker is a totally different topic. Talked about business one-on-one, talked about a little bit about ins and outs of businesses, how to get contracts, what to look for, and that doesn't get taught every day. And it was taught by a real professional. Yeah, no, just the way he says, like, go onto like different websites and about doing your marketing, about hanging things on doors. That was the old days. Today, with technology, go onto these websites, find out geographical area, find out who you're looking to target. It's right there in black and white. You don't have to even leave your house. You can jump on your computer and you could do a lot of research. He showed us where to get that information. And I gotta say, of 24 or 30 people in the class, probably 99% of us didn't realize where to find that information. He taught us where to find that information. One of the first things I'm gonna go home tonight do is look that up, get on my computer, because it's gonna save me a lot of time and it's gonna make me a lot of money. So that little bit of tidbit information from a guy who's been in the business for a long time, and he's given it to us, it was invaluable, invaluable. I'm located in the western part of New Jersey, and I deal with a lot of western parts and eastern parts of Pennsylvania. But I knew you were here. But when I was doing my research of what seminar I was going to attend, I looked up to see who was doing the presentations. And when I heard the names, I said, I got to get in this class. Even though my schedule is tight right now, I knew I wanted to come and see these guys. And I got to honestly say, I'm so glad I came.